H. Humility opens doors that entitlement closes. The centurion said, I am not worthy. And that right there, mga classmates, is what opened the door. Not his generosity, not his synagogue building, not the Jewish elders' endorsement, his humility. Mga classmates, think about how countercultural that is. We live in a world that says, know your worth, demand what you deserve. You're enough just as you are. And listen, self-respect and healthy confidence are not bad things, mga classmates. But there's a difference between knowing your value as a person and believing you've earned God's favor through your achievements. The centurion was a powerful man. He commanded soldiers. He funded buildings. He was respected by the community. He had every reason to walk up to Jesus and say, do you know who I am? I built your synagogue. I deserve this. But he didn't. He said, I'm not worthy for you to even step into my house. And mga classmates, that humility, that honest, unforced, genuine acknowledgement of who he was before God, that is what moved Jesus. Because humility doesn't say, I'm worthless. Humility says, I know who I am and I know who God is. And the gap between us isn't closed by my achievements. It is closed by His grace. Mga classmates, entitlement says, God owes me because of what I've done. Humility says, God doesn't owe me anything, but I trust Him anyway. Which posture do you approach God with? Because this story makes it clear. Humility opens doors that entitlement will always keep closed.